Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB. Today I'm going to be solving a question from the November 2020 IB chemistry examinations. This is a multiple choice SL question coming from paper 1A. It's worth 1 mark, so let's get started. Which question shows the enthalpy of formation HF of ethanol? Now, before we answer the question, we need to understand the definition of enthalpy of formation, which I've put right here in the bottom. The enthalpy of formation's definition is the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of the compound is formed from its elements in their standard states. This is not given in the question, but I have put it here just so that you can understand how to do it better, but this won't be given. So memorize these definitions, they're important, especially when looking at energy cycles. So let's get the key points. 1 mole of the compound is formed. That is one of the main main points of this question. 1 mole of the compound is formed, okay, in their standard states. Okay, so let's get started. By knowing 1 mole of the compound is formed, I can cross out 2 choices straight away, this and this, because in both B and D 2 moles of ethanol is being formed, so it can't be B or D. It has to be A or C. Now, what is the difference between the 2 answer choices? Well, on the reactant side, if they're identical, the change actually happens in the product side. In A, ethanol is being formed as a gas, whereas in C, ethanol is formed as a liquid. So, what is the right answer here? Well, answer is actually C. The reason for this is that the standard state of ethanol is a liquid, not gas. And we know that this equation or this question is happening under standard conditions. Always assume standard conditions unless otherwise mentioned. So as this reaction occurs in standard conditions, the product formed will be in its standard state as well. And so C2H5OH is ethanol and it's formed in its liquid state, which is standard. So C is your answer.